So Vegandale, the best way that I can explain it is it's like a huge music festival, but it's for food and it's for vegans. About 6 months ago, my wife and I were at a pop-up event here in Dallas, Texas, and it was really hard for us to find vegan food, let alone vegan sweets. So my wife loves to bake, so I turned to her and said, hey, it'd be great if you started this business. So about 30 days later, we were in business and doing our first event.
My name is Lanique Jones. I am the owner and sweets creator at Neatly Vegan Sweets. Neatly Vegan Sweets have a total of 2 people. That's myself and my husband, David.
My name is David Jones. I'm the Director of Business Operations at Neatly Vegan Sweets. Neatly Vegan Sweets is a 100% plant-based treats business.
Not only do we share our sweets, but we also stay connected with our customers, which are like our family.
It's very important to us that the products are at highest possible quality that we can produce them. Text marketing was implemented very early on in our business. It's an easy way to create a direct connection with your customers. It was really hard for customers to remember the brand, and it's really easy to get lost in someone's email inbox or in some other media or just holding onto a business card. And if you have a text and then you can kind of give some soft touches periodically, it makes it easier for people to remember you, and also it's easier for people to interact with you.
Easy texting is community.
It's become very integral to our business. We found out about easy texting through a Google search. We were looking for top-rated platforms, and easy texting was at the top of that list. We mostly use these 4 features: shareable forms, the QR code generator, one-on-one texting, and group texting. The most notable change that we've seen since beginning to use easy texting is an uptick in our CRM database. So we have a lot more touch points that we can reach out to regularly to tell them about promotions and where we'll be and how they can support us. It's easier than ever for our customers to say, hey, I want to interact with you, and this way is convenient. So if they have a quick question, you don't have to submit a form, you don't have to send an email, you just pull out your phone, search the name, and boom, you're right in touch with us.
So for Vegandale, Neatly Vegan Sweets will use a QR code. We will place it on the table and have our future customers to scan it for an additional 10% off on an online order.
It serves to draw customers into our table and then gives them an action they can take without necessarily making a transaction right that minute. The easiest way that you can interact with Neatly Vegan Sweets is by texting 737-286-8485. Text us the letters NVS.